Hello in grade 12 no matric bafethu. Today sizokhuluma ngani ngama Newton's law bafethu, le chapter le edida most yabafundi bafethu, but mina ke bafethu ngizoyenza nje ibe lula. Niyangazi ke nani ke bafethu, ngithatha into ile isuke inzima ngibeke phansi ibe lula, ngivele ngicakaze nje ngithi into kuthiwa inzima nje injani, athi uthisha wakho uyakufundisa awuyizwa lento le, but mase kufike mina bathi kasikho lapho ke lalela le video le mfethu yabo, uzoyilalela nje mfethu and then mase uyalike mfethu yabo. Yeah, soqala ngani ngama forces yabo, like soqala ukuthi okay, so yini force? Okay, so what is a force? Okay, so a force anything so that can cause a change to an object in a force le, anything ezodala ushintsho kweni kwi-object, lo nto le ibizwa kuthiwa yini i-force, yini i-force le. Njengokuthini na, okay, if you change a shape of what na of your object yabo, if ushintsha i-shape yani your-object mfethu, and then leyo yini i-force. Okay, if i-object accelerator noma ima leyo kusayini kusayi-force yabo. Yeah, and then if i-object yethu ishintsha in i-direction yani ye-movement, naleyo kusayini kusayi-force yabo. Yeah, okay, so ama-forces siwa-classify according to ini ama-9 contact forces, kube khona ini ama-contact force yabo. Yeah, okay, so what is a force? So yini i-force? Okay, so what is a force? Okay, a force, okay, so a force is anything, yeah, anything that can causes, yeah, so that can causes a change, so that can causes a change to an object yabo. Yeah, anything nje edala ushintsho kwi-object le yini i-force le yabo. Yeah, and then i-force, okay, so i-force, okay, so a force, okay, so a force can be classified, okay, so a force can be classified, okay, so a force can be classified as either, yeah, a force can be classified as either a contact. Okay, so if forces can be classified as either as a contact, as a contact force, or a non-contact force, or a non-contact force. So we have our contact forces nani nama 9 contact forces. Okay, mesikhuluma ngama contact forces, so sikhuluma ngama forces kanjani na ama contact forces. Okay, so let's say uyasivula isicapha. Okay, if usivula isicapha, okay, so usuke njani, usuke usiphusha ngani, and then usuke usiphusha. Okay, if usivala mfethu isicapha, if usivala ususidonsa, which is in, it's a pulling force, and then if usivula it's a pushing force. So if singama contact forces, it's where lapho khona mfethu usuke uyithintile i-object noma usuke, yeah, usuke uyithinte i-object, and then at the same time you apply in i-force yabo. Yeah, and then lawo yini ama contact forces, and then mase siba nani nama 9 contact forces. Okay, so okay, any example of contact forces, let's say imoto yakho mfethu, let's say upusha imoto. If upusha imoto kanje, and then you apply in i-force, usuke apply in i-force yabo. Yeah, and then so that is a contact forces, because i-object yakho, which is in imoto lena usuke uyiphusha, and then it's like, okay, imoto yakho le, and then wena lo, and then and then you apply ini na, you apply i-force esuke ishona ngala, and then imoto yona i-exerta i-force yabo. When you apply i-force esuke ishona ngala, imoto i-exerta i-force eshona ngayiphi, eza ngala. Yayizwa loo nto le. So but lena ibizwa ngokuthiwa it's a Newton's third law. Yeah, a Newton's third law yabo. Yeah, but thina sisakhuluma ke bafethu ngani ngama contact forces, and then we have ini ama 9 contact forces. Okay, mesikhuluma ngama 9 contact forces, so sikhuluma ngani nge-gravity. I-gravity, okay, so i-gravity ifola under ini ama 9 contact forces yini i-gravity. So i-gravity, yeah, i-gravity ifola under ini ama 9 contact forces. I-gravity kube yini na? Okay, i-gravity kanjani na? Okay, so i-gravity yokuthi, okay, so i-earth yethu, okay, so i-earth yethu idonsa ini imuni yabo. So let's say i-earth le, and then imuni le yabo. Yeah, okay, yeah, let's say i-earth le imuni, and then i-earth it's exerting i-force to imuni. Okay, so now masuba yini na electricity ugesi ya electricity. Okay, so electricity ufola under ama 9 contact forces kanjani na ama 9 contact forces electricity yethu like yini na. Okay, so like in ama protons. Okay, so ama protons okay, so like ama protons nama electron okay, so ama protons nama electrons aya attractana yabo ya kugesi. So ama protons nama electrons are attractana ndawonye yabo. And then masuba yini magnetism. Okay, so masuba yini magnetism. So magnetism, let's say umayibuthu if uthatha umayibuthu wakho yabo, if uthatha umayibuthu wakho. Okay, so if uthatha umayibuthu wakho yabo, yeah, and then uthatha in i-paper clip yakho yabo, uthatha in i-paper clip yakho yabo. If uthatha i-paper clip yakho yabo, so umayibuthu uzodonsa in i-paper clip yakho in umayibuthu yabo. Yeah, okay, so now masikhuluma ngama different types of what now. Okay, so now masikhuluma ngama different types of what, of forces. Okay, sesizokhuluma ngama different types of what now, of forces ukuthi ke imap lawo ma forces lawo. Okay, we have normal force. Yeah, sine normal forces. Okay, we have normal force yabo, sine normal force. Okay, what is a normal force? So oqala yini mfethu normal force? Into engimele uyibuze nayibu yini normal forces mfethu. Okay, normal force. Okay, mesikhuluma ngani normal force. Okay, so a normal force which is in a normal force. Okay, so a normal force is the force. Okay, so a normal force. Okay, so a normal force is a force or what now, or the components yabo, is a force or what now, or a component of what now, of a force yabo, or a component of what now, of a force which exerts, yeah, which which a surface, yeah, which a surface exerts, which a surface. Okay, which a surface exerts on what now, on any object, which a surface exerts on what now, on any object in what now, in a contact, in what now, in a contact, and then in a contact with it, and which act perpendicular, which acts perpendicular, which acts perpendicular to what now, to the surface yabo. Okay, so if it's ngani normal forces, so yini normal force? A normal force is a force. A normal force case. So a normal force case. So a normal force is a force or a component of what now, of a force which a surface exerts on any object in a contact with it, which acts perpendicular. Okay, so let's say uthatha ibhuku lakho yabo, let's say ngizonza i-example njengemoto yabo. Okay, so let's say imoto yakho fethu yabo, let's say imoto yakho fethu imoto yakho yabo, ngizokwenza example njengemoto yakho. Okay, so imoto yakho fethu ihamba kweni kwi-flexible road, noma imoto yakho ihamba kweni kwi-rigid road yabo. Yeah, imoto yakho ihamba kwi-flexible road noma kwi-rigid road yabo. Yeah, okay, but sizothi kwi-flexible road. Okay, so let's say imoto yakho ihamba kweni on a flexible road yabo. So if imoto yakho ihamba on a flexible road fethu, and then surface yani yomgwaqo, which is in surface le yomgwaqo, surface le yomgwaqo, and then exerta ini na, exerta in i-force kweni kwamasondo emoto, exerta in normal forces yabo. Normal force exerta in normal force, and then that force is acts perpendicular to what now, to the surface of what now, of the road yabo. Acts perpendicular to the surface of what, of the road yabo. And then masukuthi yona imoto le and then masukuthi imoto le yona exerts ini gravitational force, which is FG, gravitational forces, which is kahle exerts force acts downwards yabo. Yes, exerts in gravitational forces yabo. It's like okay, then ifana nokuthini na. Okay, yes, okay, yeah, and then Fn or N yabo. Yeah, and then or let's say itafula, let's say itafula lakho leli, and then itafula lakho leli ibhuku leli yabo. Let's say itafula lakho leli noma i-object thizeni yabo, ungasho ukuthi ibhuku or i-object thizeni yabo. And then itafula leli lizo exerta ini i-force kwini kwibook iyiphi le force exertwa i-surface yetafula kwibook which i-normal forces, which is i-normal forces yabo yini i-normal forces yabo. And then mase kuthi yona ibook yona lizo exerta i-gravitational forces e-acta downwards yabo. Kahle if kuukuthi wena mfethu uyalisusa leli tafula leli yabo, if kuthi uyaliphusha leli tafula leli yabo, and then if uliphusha leli tafula leli, and then obviously the object le izowa phansi. Yini eyenza le object le iwe phansi? It's because i-object yethu lena kunelonto uzani kuno FG, which is in gravitational forces acta downward, kunobani kuno FG yabo. And then u-FN, which is i-normal forces, le normal force le iyalingana nobani no FG le normal force iyalingana nani ne gravitational forces, nani ne gravitational forces yabo. Yeah, okay, so now mase siba ne force ekuthiwa yini manje? Mase siba ne force ekuthiwa yini i-frictional forces. What is the frictional forces? Yona lento le engenza la, it's a friction yabo. Yeah, what is a frictional force? Okay, masikhuluma nge-friction. Okay, so a friction sibe nento ekuthiwa yini na i-friction forces. Okay, sibe nento ekuthiwa yini i-friction forces. Okay, masikhuluma nge-friction forces, so yini i-friction forces kuqala? Okay, so qala sibale definition yakhona i-frictional forces. Okay, so a friction force which is in okay, so as the force, okay, so as the force is the force that opposes, yeah, is the force that opposes the motion, is the force that opposes a motion of what now? Of any object, yeah, is the force that opposes a motion of what now? Of any object, and which acts parallel, and which acts parallel to what now? To the surface, and which acts parallel to what now? To the surface, which is FR. Yeah, FR. Okay, so now mesikhuluma nge-frictional forces yabo. Ngizokwenza example yabo. If uthatha izandla zakho lezi, and then if uyirabha kanje, uyazi ukuthi izandla zakho lezi kune heat ecreatekayo la yabo. Le heat idalwa yini na? Le heat le ecreatekayo, it's because kune frictional forces, yabo. It's because there is a frictional forces yabo. Yeah, and then the frictional force le izo create in heat ngephi ezandleni zakho yabo. Yeah, so kahle hle mesikhuluma nge-frictional forces, i-force ekanjani na? Okay, so i-frictional forces, let's say imoto yakho le yabo, let's say imoto yakho lena fethu, imoto yakho ihamba kwi-flexible pavement yabo. Okay, and then ngesikhathi imoto yakho ihamba iya phambili imoto yakho, and then which is in kune applied forces, and then i-applied force ishona ngephi? Ishona kuleli side le. Okay, let's say imoto yakho i-accelerator kuleli side le yabo. Let's say imoto yakho i-accelerator kahle kabani ngalontuzana i-accelerator ka right hand side yabo. Let's say imoto yakho i-accelerator kephi from kuleli side engala yabo. Okay, and then kune frictional forces ezowenzeka, and then i-frictional forces izowenzeka kephi la? I-frictional forces between kwi-surface, between i-flexible pavement and ne-tie, and then that frictional forces izo-acta opposite nani ne-applied forces, izo-acta opposite nani ne-applied forces yabo. Yeah, and then mase siba nani ke no normal forces ke, sibe no normal force ke, sibe no FG yabo. But ke lento le if usibhala nge-force, nge-free body diagram yabo. So i-applied force le, and then now we have FG, and then now we have bani i-normal force, and then la ube nani, oh, it's a frictional force. Yeah, kube frictional force yabo. And then uyabona ukuthi frictional force i-acta parallel nani ne-surface yani yomgwaqo. i-frictional force i-acta parallel nani ne-surface yomgwaqo yabo. It's like i-frictional force then and then i-frictional force lena i-acta parallel nani and then kube yini i-surface yani it's a surface yani yomgwaqo i-acta parallel in i-frictional forces yabo. Yeah. Ayi ukhulume nginika wona nzima kakhulu kodwa ke yeah. Okay, and then mase siba nani na ne-kinetic friction forces. Okay, mesikhuluma ngani i-kinetic. Okay, kinetic okay, so qala ngani nge-static yeah, because kuqala static, after static uze ini i-maximum static frictional forces, after maximum static frictional forces masuza ini i-kinetic yabo. Yeah. Okay, so qala ngani nge-static friction force. Okay, what is the static friction forces? Okay, if it's the static friction forces, okay, the static friction forces which is in N is the force is the force that opposes is the force that opposes a tendency is a force that opposes a tendency of what now of a motion is a force that opposes a tendency of a motion of a stationary object yabo, relative to what now relative to the surface, relative to the surface yabo. Okay, let's come on the static frictional forces. Okay, let's come on the static frictional forces. Static frictional forces i-force enjani? I-force eyenza i-object ingakwazi ukumuva noma ngabe kuthiwa u-apply i-force yabo, but nje i-object ngeke izimove, ayimove i-object imile nje kanjani. If you apply i-force kahle in static frictional forces there, which is bani FS, it's a static frictional forces in static frictional forces yabo. Yeah, static frictional forces yabo. Let's say example, let's say you apply force yabo. If go to apply force ngeke izimove, let's say object yakho ayimove yabo, ayimove object yakho. Example futhi enye, let's say uyahamba yabo, if uhamba kune static friction forces esenzeka between izicathulo zakho nani ne-surface osuke uhamba kuyona yabo. Yeah, kune static frictional forces yabo, but once washibilika so sekwenzeka yini i-kinetic lapho sekwenzeka yini i-kinetic yabo. Yeah. Let's say upaka ini imoto, if upaka imoto obviously imoto yakho imele ayimove, so there is a static frictional forces yabo. Yeah, and then mase siba nani maximum static frictional forces. Okay, it's a maximum value. Okay, so let's go ngani the maximum static frictional forces. Maximum static frictional forces in maximum static frictional forces, which is in static friction, friction increase with what now with the applied increase with the applied forces up to a maximum limit called by static frictional forces. Okay, let's come on the maximum static frictional forces, which is in a maximum value yabo. It's where lapho khona like ngizowenza example yabo, ukubona imoto, let's say imoto yakho mhlawumbe isendaweni eyudaka imoto yakho yabo, and then ngesikhathi ufuna ukuyikhipha imoto edakeni yabo, loo nto leyo anganiyazi ukuthi masonto like but imile endaweni eyodwa imoto yakho yabo, but you applied in i-force yabo, and then once imoto yakho ngesikhathi isona mase yasuka ihamba yabo, loo nto leyo iphume edakeni, mase imoto yakho iyaphuma kephi and then edakeni. Okay, angani ngesikhathi ilontuza kudaka imoto yakho, so there is a maximum static frictional forces yabo, kune maximum static frictional forces, and then and then apply more forces, and then we start to apply more forces imoto yakho mase iyasuka, and then mase siba nani kuthiwa yini i-kinetic frictional forces lapho ke yabo. Yeah, and then sibe nento kuthiwa yini i-kinetic mase siba nalento kuthiwa yini i-kinetic friction forces. Kinetic friction forces, which is by UFK, yabo. Yeah, i-kinetic friction force, which is by UFK, you know. So let's go on kinetic, which is the force, yeah, is the force that opposes, yeah, is the force so that opposes, yeah, is the force that opposes the motion, yeah, is the force that opposes the motion. So is the force that opposes the motion of what now? Of an object. Is the force that opposes the motion of what now? Of an object, and relative to the surface, yeah, relative to what now? To the surface, yeah. So see we now FK, and then this is one FK. You say object here to relate. So we have applied force now. We have applied force, and then we have in kinetic frictional forces. Yeah. So another thing, we have coefficients Adam. So we have the coefficients kinetic frictional forces. The coefficients kinetic frictional forces I now my SI unit. So I now my SI unit. So to calculate FK, let's say to calculate FK, let's say FK awumnikanga. Maybe nganginikanga FK bazonginikeza i-coefficient ilontuzana i-coefficient yani kinetic energy. To calculate u-UK wakho should FK multiplied by FK is equal to UK times normal forces times normal forces to total FK wakho. Nakanjalo nakephi nalana uzothi let's say banginikeze i-coefficient yani static friction forces yabo. Should uzothi f of max let's f of max that but say ufuna static friction forces yakho yabo. So uma ufuna static friction forces yakho uzothi bani u-US multiplied by normal forces mase uyayithola yabo. Kahle i-coefficient of a static friction force times normal force bafethu. Yeah, thank you bafethu, and then kwi-chapter elandelayo, and then sizokhuluma ngani ngama-force diagram nama-free body diagram, ngimdwebele ngokuhlukahluka kwawo yabo. Yeah.